You know, I really thought if I smiled more, I would get better customer service. But what I really did was uncovered a much bigger problem. Employers aren't educating their people on what good customer service is. Or, since I know that most businesses have showed a customer service video or two or had some customer service training, I think the problem is this: they're not holding their people accountable to good customer service. When I smile at the person that's about to serve me, I do get friendlier service, but they're missing an opportunity to give me a wow service. Now, it could be that they just don't want to give good customer service because they don't care. Or it could be that they're giving as good a service as they'd expect to get themselves. This is a service-driven economy. And sales trainers are preaching that if you invest time into your prospects, you're going to get more sales. In our service world, like if you're in food and beverage, aren't you paid accordingly to your sales? But what if you're just hourly, you're asking? Well, maybe if you increase your sales in your hourly position, it might open a door for more opportunities for you. It's just a thought. So listen up, everyone. This is simple. Look for the simple things that aren't getting done that customers would like, and do it. And then teach your colleagues the benefits of great customer service. In the big picture, that will be serving yourself as well.